Hello everyone. Okay, now let's solve this question. A very simple question. Okay, we have AB and CD are arcs of circle center O. Now we have two arcs here. We have arc AB and arc CD. The center, okay, is O. All right, so the central angle is 80 degrees. Okay, so we are giving the length of O radius OA. So the length of that's the radius of OAB is 10 centimeters. So this will be 10 centimeters, okay, according to the question. This will be 10 centimeters. All right, so but the radius OC, that's from O to C, that is 12 centimeters. So we're giving that to be 12 centimeters. So we want to find the area of the shaded region. This is a very simple question. Okay, so and one important thing here is to understand that whenever it comes to how to calculate the area of, you know, a shaded region. So the important thing is, you know, um, two things, two things are important. One, we must understand that the inscribed shape, there will be an inscribed shape and there will be what? A circumscribed shape. So now what we have here is more like we have a circle, within another circle. But we have here that now we have two arcs and we have we have an arc, okay, arc AB, okay, inside what? This other arc. Okay, so which means that now the length of this arc CD and that of AB. Okay, when we look at the length, okay, we'll see that now when we look at the radius, okay, the radius from that's the radius of a bigger circle, which will be OD, and the other one will be what? It will be OA for OAB. So to calculate the area of the shaded region, there's no big deal here. So all that we need to do here is, first, let's get the area of the bigger sector. Okay, we have two sectors here. This is arc. This is also an arc. But when we have this shape, okay, OAB, okay, this is a sector, okay, and we know that a sector, okay, depends on the central angle. That is, it is related to the angle, subtended at the center, and the two radii from the center of a circle. So we have sector A. So for sector OAB, okay, sector OAB. So for sector AOB, we have the area of the sector. Now the area of sector AOB, area of sector A, that's OAB, okay? OAB, that will be the central angle, which is what? Theta, okay? Over what? 360 degrees multiplied by what? Pi. Now remember we are dealing with what? OAB. So let's say we have R square. So where small r represent what? It represents OA, which is what? 10 centimeters. And let's say big R represents 12 centimeter, which is radius OC. And that is what? 12 centimeters. So we have 12 centimeters. So we have area of sector OAB to be theta over 360 multiplied by pi r square. So let's get the area of sector OAB, okay? So for OAB, the area of sector OAB would then be theta, that is 80, okay, 80 over what? 360 multiplied by 3.142, okay, then multiply by the radius, which is what? 10. Then we have it raised to the power of what? 2. Okay, so okay, let's get the value for let's multiply what is 8,000. What is 8,000 multiplied by, because 10 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 80, that will be 8,000. So when we multiply that by 3.142, which is the value of pi, the value of pi. So that would be 25138. We have 25138. So we then have 25138 divided by 360. So when we divide, okay, 25136, okay, divide by 360. Now that will be 69.8, 69.82, 69.82, and the unit will be in what? Centimeter square. Okay, the unit will be in centimeter square. So also, like I said, to calculate the area of this shaded region, okay, we need the area of the bigger what sector minus the area of the what of the smaller sector. Okay, so we have the bigger sector to be area of sector. So we have OCD. Okay, we have OCD, and that would be the central angle, which is 80 degrees, then multiply by, I said we should represent OC, okay, which is radius, which is the radius for the bigger sector, okay, or that is OCD, okay, to be what? 12 centimeters. So R is 12 centimeters. So the area of the sector will now be what we have, what we're going to get from 80 divided by 360 degrees, multiply by 3.142, then multiply by 12 raised to the power of 2. Okay, 12 raised to the power of 2 is 144. So 144 multiplied by 3.142, okay, multiplied by 80, okay, that will be 36195. We have 36195.84 divided by 360 degrees. Okay, so let's divide this value, okay, let's divide this value by 360 degrees. Okay, so we have 100.544, and that'll be in what? In square centimeters. So to calculate the area of shaded region, okay, area of shaded region. So area of shaded region will be area, okay, area of sector. We have sector what? OCD minus area of sector what? OAB. So what we have now will be 100, 0.544 minus 69.82. So when we subtract 69.82, okay, from this value, now our answer will be 30.732. That will be 30.7, okay, 30.724. Okay, 30.724. So we can approximate that to be to 2 decimal place as 30.72 square centimeters. And this is the area of the shaded region. The noblest pleasure is the joy of understanding. Bye bye.